Welcome, design aficionados, to another enthralling episode of our YouTube channel. Today, we're delving into the world of American timeless style as we unveil 12 breathtaking living room interiors that embody classic sophistication and timeless elegance. Get ready to be inspired by the harmonious blend of rich textures, refined furnishings, and intricate details that define this exquisite design aesthetic. In each of these 12 elegant living rooms, you'll discover a symphony of design elements that pay homage to the enduring allure of American timeless style. From sumptuous fabrics to meticulously crafted furniture, every piece has been thoughtfully chosen to create a sense of refined luxury. Hallmarks of this design style is the carefully curated color palette that exudes warmth and opulence. These colors serve as the perfect backdrop for the carefully selected decor pieces and art that adorn these spaces. Intricate moldings, exquisite chandeliers, and paintings are just a few examples of the elements that add depth and character to these spaces. Please show your support by hitting the like button below. And for more design inspiration and captivating tours, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Your support fuels our passion for sharing the world of design with you.